Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Shrimpo from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across at the top. Then let's angle it out and curve it back in. And a curve across to close off the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes with two large circles. And then add another circle inside each one. And then color them both in black. Now on top of each eye, let's draw an angle going down for the eyebrows. And then let's hop underneath and let's draw an upside down curve for the mouth. And underneath both sides, let's add a small curve. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw a curve V-shape up and back down like this. Then from the top, we're going to draw two wavy lines up and out. And curve it back down and in. Now inside, let's add two curves going up from the bottom. And a curve to close off the ends. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and add the body. Let's start with two angled lines down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now top inside and let's add another two curves at the bottom. Next, we're going to hop out and add the arms. Let's start with two angles down and out on the left, and the same thing on the right side. Then angle it back into the body, and another angle from the outside line. And then add a curve across at the elbows. Now for the hands, let's draw a bump next to the body for the thumbs. Then bring it down and curve it back in underneath. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's add the legs at the bottom. Let's start with two lines down in the center. Then hop out and let's draw a set of shorter lines. Now let's angle it out and a curve across to close off each foot. And lastly, let's add a curve inside each leg near the top. And that's it for Shrimpo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!